Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started standing up at the top of our yoga mat. Take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Again, let's breathe in through our nose and sigh it out. Sweep your arms up overhead, coming into your mountain pose. Take an inhale, exhale, forward fold, hinge forward at your hips, relaxing your hands onto your yoga mat. Come into your halfway lift, lengthening your spine. And high plank, plant your palms, stepping your feet back. Shift forward 2 inches as you slowly lower down onto the belly, pressing your way into your upward facing dog. And downward facing dog, send your hips up and back. Come up high on the tippy toes, step your way to the top of your mat for forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, hands come to heart center. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high plank. Shift forward, lowering down, making your way into your upward facing dog. And back to your downward facing dog. That up dog to down dog is called your chaturanga or your vinyasa. So when I say that, that means you go through your up dog and your down dog. Rise up on the tippy toes and step to the top of your mat for forward fold. Halfway lift, forward fold. Mountain pose. Hands come to heart center. Mountain pose, forward fold, halfway lift, chaturanga, go through your vinyasa. Three-legged dog, send your right leg high towards the ceiling. Step your foot through for warrior one. Spin your back heel down. Lift the arms up, square your hips to the front. Go through your vinyasa. Three-legged dog on the left, lift your left leg high, step the foot through, coming into your warrior one. You spin that back heel down, toes are facing the corner of your mat. Square your hips, looking forward. Go through your vinyasa. Again, three-legged dog, send your right leg high. Step the foot through, warrior one. Go through your vinyasa. Three-legged dog, send your left leg high, step the foot through, warrior one. Go through your vinyasa. Rise up on the tippy toes, step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift, forward fold. Chair pose, sink your hips deep like you're sitting in a chair, sweep the arms by the ears. Take an inhale, exhale, forward fold. Halfway lift, go through your chaturanga. Right leg lifts, three-legged dog. Step the foot through for low lunge. Keeping that back heel high, lift the arms for your high crescent lunge. Open up for warrior two. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, extended side angle. Tick-tock the arms. Inhale, reverse warrior. High five the back wall. Exhale, chaturanga, windmill the arms down. Step your foot back for up dog and down dog. Three-legged dog, send your left leg high. Step the foot through, low lunge. Keep that back heel high, coming into your high crescent lunge. Open up, warrior two. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, chaturanga. Rise up on your tippy toes, step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift, forward fold. Chair pose. Forward fold. Halfway lift, chaturanga. Right leg lifts. Step the foot through, low lunge. High crescent lunge. Warrior two. Extended side angle. Reverse warrior. Chaturanga. Left leg lifts. Step the foot through, low lunge. Immediately high crescent lunge. Warrior two. Extended side angle. Reverse warrior. Chaturanga. Let's slowly make our way down onto our knees into a tabletop position, coming into our cow pose, looking up, drop the belly low, and cat pose, round your spine. Again, cow pose, shine the chest forward, look up, and cat pose, pull your chin in towards your chest. Sit your hips back, coming into a much needed child's pose as you take some deep breaths. We slowly come back up, swinging the legs around in front of us. We're going to keep those legs straight. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Let's slowly make our way onto our back, coming into Shavasana, our final resting pose. Relaxing your legs and your arms, closing your eyes, and just taking some deep breaths. Let's take one more deep breath to end our class. Great job. Thank you so much for flowing with me today. Everything that you need is going to be on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I will see you in the next one.